Hey y'all, what do you think about taking a ride in outer space? You think so? Well, I'm going to imagine for a minute that I am an astronaut. Can you picture that? Sure you can. I'm strong and handsome. Don't laugh. I'm trying to use an example. Just go with me for a minute, okay? So I get into that capsule and I'm ready to take off or wherever. I'm going into outer space. Why? Because I'm curious. What's out there? Well, I'm not going to go that far because you know what? I don't like to travel for very long. I got things to do down here. So I'm going to go for a little while to find out what's going on. You ready? Okay, here's what I'm going to find out. I am going to find a few planets up here. Yeah, they just happen to be here. They've been here for maybe a few billion years, give or take. But here's what you got. You got Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 8 main planets. Now, for a while, we had a place called Pluto, but he got demoted. The poor guy, he just couldn't make it. The reason why he got demoted was because one minute it looked like he was in Neptune's orbit, next minute he looked like he was in his own orbit. So the scientists got tired of it and said, okay, you're not really a planet. So he was kind of pushed to the side. And then came Planet 9. You say, what's Planet 9? I'll tell you next time. Just think about that for a second. It's a nice little fun thing to think about. Anyway, right now we got 8 planets. And what else do we got? We've got moons. That's right. You thought the Earth had the only moon? Well, that's awfully selfish of you. I'm kidding. Earth has 1 moon, but let's look at the other planets. We got Earth with 1, Mars with 2, Jupiter with 4, Saturn with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Believe that? And Uranus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neptune, well, 2. So you know what? They beat us. Oh well. Okay. So what else you got out there? You got an asteroid belt. What in the world is an asteroid belt? I'll tell you what the asteroid belt is. Pretty simple. There is a whole lot of material out here between Mars and Jupiter. It goes around the sun. Now, it's rocks, it's debris, it's mainly pieces of whatever you want to call them, rocks and little tiny, well, not tiny, maybe a mile long structures, could be even longer, 1,000 miles long. The biggest one is Ceres, C-E-R-E-S, and they go around the sun. It's described as being a place where maybe a planet collapsed or fell apart or didn't come together. We don't know. But not only that, there's a whole lot of them, million pieces or more, and they all are gathered together in a cluster, and they are between Mars and Jupiter. Fascinating, isn't it? Are you getting excited yet? Hey, I've been out here. I've been this astronaut out here for a while. I'm ready to come home. But anyway, we'll get back to our talk. Are you ready? Okay. What else do we get out there? Comets. Those things that go around the sun. They're ice balls. And when they get to near the sun, they get a little warm. They let off gases. Yeah, those things. And there's asteroids. Again, big rocks that float in space. It's kind of the best way to describe them. And then you got meteors. They break off the asteroids and fall onto the planet, especially ours. They call it Earth, you know, if they fall on Earth. So you got comets, asteroids. What else is there? Oh, there's radiation. Yeah, it's that thing that comes from the sun. Makes us nice and warm. It goes throughout the whole solar system. And there's something else. Are you ready? It's called gravity. You see, the reason we can even see the moon is because the moon is held kind of close because of gravity. We pull on it. And our gravity keeps us on the ground, keeps us standing here without flying off into space. And there's kind of a pull that's going around the whole solar system, carrying the planets around. So there's a kind of a pull or gravity. It's a force. It's invisible, and it affects all of us. All right, I'm back to Earth now. I had a great trip. What? Now you want to go? No, 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 no. I want to be the only astronaut. Oh, you think so, huh? Well, we'll let our teacher talk about that next. Good times. See you later. Bye.